How to use ChatGPT for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use ChatGPT for beginners. So basically, if you are going to use an app or the app version of it, you want to install it from your respective app store. So once you open up your ChatGPT application or install it, click on the open button. So here you can either go ahead and use the free version of it without creating an account, or if you want to create an account, you click onto the sign up button at the bottom of the page. Now here you will be provided with different options, either to continue with Google, manually entering the email address, or continue with phone as well. Once you've done entering the following information, you're done creating your password, all that stuff, you'll be able to access the account. So there at the very front or at the very beginning, you could find the section, the search page, where you could type in the prompt and the ChatGPT is gonna do its work and provide you the answer. So this way you should be able to use ChatGPT for beginners. And when you're a beginner, make sure that you have a clear prompt and that you use photos as well as images in order to explain the context as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.